We show the hello, sweetie, when you know I'm talking to you. You just get to be such a baby. Hi. Hello. Hello, baby. Hello, sweetheart. Mandarin's a sweet girl. Come here. Oh. Come here. Come here. This is a bad one. A long one. Well, hello, sweetie. Oh. Aw. I think that maybe you should get spayed if you aren't already. I forget. Yes, that's what I think. You're such a beautiful girl. Yes, and see this Manx tail? There's nothing wrong with that tail. Yeah, she wags it like crazy. What a sweet baby.